Alright, so today I'm installing these, well, I've got one in my hand here, are these spoiler extensions, which I've already put one on this side. It's for the Oettinger spoilers. There's like little extensions that flick up. They look kind of nice. I've seen them a few times and I've been like, yeah, they look quite cool. So I thought I'll just pick some up. So I'm going to put on this side now, as it's the same process for this side. So they come just like this with some 3M tape as well. So I've put the 3M tape on it. I'm gonna stick it down on here. Now they're a lot shorter than the width of the spoiler, so they're not meant to go across the entire width, which I thought was a bit weird, but I just go with it. So what I've been doing is I've put it at the edge here. So as you can see in the middle bit, there's like a little curve. So I've just been trying to line that curve up with this back bit of the spoiler. So I put it there and all the way to the edge here. Then I just pull it back until it kind of seems like it sits kind of flush. So like right here you can see it's kind of like up a bit, but then as I pull it back it then kind of sits a bit more flush. So when it like just sits flush a bit, then that's where I'll keep it. So I'll keep it there and then line it up so that this edge bit is on the edge as well, and that the line goes all the way through. So like this would sit back a bit and this would also be back a bit, and then I'll just stick it all the way down, but this will probably be a bit more over this side. So this is kind of hard to do with two hands, and I don't have my tripod with me at the moment, so I'm going to stick it on and cut back to this. Alright, so I just finished them up. Here they are. I'll do a quick little walk around of it. As you can see, it's nothing special, but just a little addition that you might not see on a lot of polos. But yeah, that's done. Easy install. Just some double-sided tape. Put them at the bottom of this and then stick them on. You might take a bit of fuffling to find the right position you want it in. I just put mine a bit to the edge here. Pretty much I just lined it up with like this. If you come back down straight, pretty much have the edge somewhat near this, and it should line up alright. But yeah, that's the video. If you guys enjoyed it, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And until next time, peace.